A couple of years ago, I wrote this poem titled The Tree and Me. I take a lot of walks in bushes and parks and feel one with nature. And during one of these walks, I took a picture of a majestic tree, and that prompted me to write this poem. Hope you enjoy it. The Tree and Me. Upon the hill, a majestic tree stands quite still, with far-stretched branches, well-grounded roots, a fortified trunk, and a variety of leaves scattered on the ground. Then I see myself in perspective, tall and confident, with a strong foundation, unwavered by circumstances, reaching out through the branches and extending engagements in faraway lands unbeknown to the future. Rising up to challenges, making life adventurous, using a variety of talents, breaking risky barriers, and portraying beautiful ways of expression. Sometimes still, sometimes through the grind of the mill, flowing through moments, grasping bits of information, sifting through each piece until I find a solution, never accepting defeat, totally refuting exasperation. There is the tree, and then there is me.